Trance by Margaret in 50 by 62 cm rounds, special treatment version 1, starts with electric diamonds sprinkled in the background. We have some over there on the upper left corner, as well as on the bottom corners. So simply sprinkle it just to give it some added glisten. Trance by Margaret in 50 by 62 cm rounds, special treatment version 2 now adds sapphire diamonds that we have sprinkled on her blue dress. So sprinkle it in this area over here as well as on these areas. In Trance by Margaret in 50 by 62 cm rounds, special treatment version 3 now adds magenta crystals that we have sprinkled in all of the red areas on the painting. So this would include the red flowers, her red hair, as well as some of the red areas of her dress. So place it on all of the red areas except for her face. You can place it on the hair, just try not to place it on her face, so that we can keep the delicate features of her face and just add the sparkle around her.